On today's episode of Sunday Rice, we're making one of my all-time favorites, white rice with beef and gizzard sauce. If you've never tried this before, you are in for a treat. Start by cutting the beef into bite-sized pieces, then season with salt, beef bouillon cubes, plenty of chopped onions, thyme, curry powder, and a little water. Cover and let it cook until tender. While the beef is cooking, prepare the gizzard. Clean it well by removing any tough yellow lining, then cut into smaller pieces. Transfer to a pot, then season with salt, bouillon cubes, thyme, and curry powder. Add enough water to cover, then cook until tender. The gizzard takes quite a bit longer to cook than the beef, so you probably need to add more water at some point. For the pepper mix, you'll need bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and Scotch bonnet peppers or atarudo. I like the peppers to have a bit of texture, so I don't blend until completely smooth. It should look something like this. Meanwhile, cook the rice with a bit of salt. Today I'm using long grain Sela basmati rice. By now the beef should be nice and tender, so take it off heat, separate the meat from the stock, then fry until lightly browned. If you prefer, you can air fry it instead. To air fry, lightly spray the beef with cooking oil, then air fry at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 200 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes. Shake the basket at intervals so it browns evenly. Once the gizzard is fully cooked, fry that too. Be careful because gizzard tend to splatter, so you can partially cover your pan while it fries. If you prefer using the air fryer, you can air fry the gizzard as well. When you're done, reduce the oil, then add chopped onions, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Fry for about 2 minutes until the onions are soft and fragrant. Add the pepper mix we made earlier, and you want to cook this down until the tomatoes are no longer raw. Season with a little salt, thyme, curry powder, and a little more beef bouillon. Mix everything very well, then let it cook on low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the oil starts floating to the top. Now add the fried beef, fried gizzard, and some of the beef stock from earlier. Mix well, cover, and let it simmer over low heat for another 5 minutes so all the flavors can really come together. Finish with chopped green onions or scallions for a little more freshness and color. Serve it over hot white rice and some fried plantains on the side if you like that, and enjoy. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video.